Hello friends, welcome back to Hostedbykrssie. Today I'm participating in a fun collaboration hosted by Hanna Watkins and also the channel She Leaves a Little Sparkle. I'll link both of their channels down below in the description box. I'll also include a playlist link as soon as that's made available. I wanted to show you today that you really don't need a lot of space or a huge fancy cart to use for a bar cart for your outdoor space. You really don't need one for indoors either. You can make any space a bar area or a coffee bar. This is just a convenient little cart that I've had for some time, and it's been repurposed. My husband actually used it for tools and that, and I decided to take it back and paint it. I did show that in another video, and I'll link that down below. For this collaboration, I've decided to decorate my bar cart in a pineapple theme, as you can see. I do have a few other little accessories that I'll be including. I'm not sure if I'll be using all of these pieces, but I will use some variation of them. This is a picture from the Target Dollar Spot, along with this little bottle or decanter. This is also from Target Dollar Spot. They have these items seasonally, and this is also another piece. These were all bought at different times of the year. Typically in the summer they have the bottles, in the spring they have the dishware or the serveware, and this one I think was purchased around Valentine's Day. This piece was a clearance piece from Marshall's. It is metal, but it is a food safe piece. These were also from the Target Dollar Spot during the New Year's holiday. I got these for 90% off. This pineapple tray was a piece from HomeGoods. It was hauled some time ago. If I can find that video or figure out which one it was, I'll include a link for that one. And the pitcher is a thrift store find. This is a false graph ceramic pitcher. On the top shelf, I've decided to go ahead and use the false graph pitcher. I'm using that for some extra servings of iced tea. I've also poured a serving in each of the glasses that you see. I absolutely love those glasses. They were actually a wedding gift, and I've had them for all these years and I've never broken one. Hopefully I won't do that today. But there's also a little lemon wedge on the glasses for those who like to have lemon with their tea. And I typically serve unsweetened tea unless I make Southern sweet tea. And I'll show you how I serve that in another video. For those that do like a little sweetness to the tea, there's some simple syrup. For those that want a little bit more than some sweetness, I also have some Bacardi Gold rum. That's a wonderful addition to iced tea, you guys. If you've never tried it, I suggest that you do, if you like rum, of course. I also have some summer snacks. I like to have fresh fruit, fresh veggies, and also in the pineapple bottle, there is some water for those who just want something refreshing. The tea towel that you see was a purchase from the H&M home store in Toronto, Canada. My husband and I frequent weekend trips to Canada. We're only 3 hours away. It's one of our most fun getaways. All of the items for the H&M home store can be purchased online, and I encourage you to check them out. They have some beautiful items. On the shelf below, I just have a white ice bucket. I love using the white ice bucket. I also have a red one, but the white one gives me versatility. I can use it pretty much with any decor. I also have some little dessert plates. They're more of a plain style dessert plate. And these came in different colors with different motifs on them in the summer. At the Target Dollar Spot, they came in the winter months, like for the New Year's holiday, and that's what these are from. These are just the white ones with the little gold specks in them. And I have some pineapple motif ones, but I thought that might be a little bit overkill, so I decided to opt for the plain white ones. There's also some sparkling LaCroix water for those just want some simple refreshment with a little sparkle, and some little pineapple cocktail napkins. Here's a quick tip. If you're having a function outside and it's incredibly hot, you can take a cooler with the little gel packs, freeze those. If you don't have them, you can use an ice bucket with ice. Take your cloth, some clean cloths, You can get the nice ones at the local Dollar Tree, or just use some microfiber cloths like I have here. Dampen them. Don't squeeze them out until they're almost dry, just so they're not dripping. Roll them up. Place them in the cooler. I prefer the cooler, but for these purposes we're going to use the ice bucket. And just roll them all up. Put them in the bucket. And this is if you're not really using the ice bucket for, you know, ice for beverages. Your guests will have a cool towel to refresh themselves with. I do hope that you enjoyed today's video. I hope this gave you some inspiration for any quick little unexpected gatherings that you may have. You can set this up on any space in your outdoor area. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to watch the videos for the other participants down below. Take care.